Hi children, today we are going to learn addition. Addition of two-digit numbers. Okay, so we're going to learn two-digit numbers. We'll have tens and ones, how to add the ones first, then the tens first, and that's what we are going to do. I hope you'll enjoy this. It's very interesting. Addition is very interesting for you. You're adding your marks, adding the money mommy give you. They're all over. Anytime in the class, at home, there is some addition going on. So you should be able to do this. It will help you to improve your mind. We are learning addition of two-digit numbers. Look carefully and enjoy yourself. Yes, look what I have for you. Look at the sum carefully and watch and understand. We have two letters here, O and T. We have O. What is the meaning of O? Short form of ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 0 to 9, they are all ones. So this is the place for ones. We have 4 here, 2 here. And what is this? T is the short form for tens. All two-digit numbers beginning with 10, 11 and so on. So we have tens here, ones here. Now we have two sets of numbers. 64, 6 tens, 4 ones, 32, 3 tens, 2 1. Now we're going to add. In addition, this is the sign we use, plus sign. Now when we add, always start with the ones. Okay? Now 4. Take your fingers, you have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you take 2 more fingers. Yes. Now what is 4 plus 2? 4 in the mind, 2. 5, 6. Good. So you have 4 plus 2 is 6. 4 in the finger. In the other hand, you take another 2 fingers. 4 plus 2. Good. 4 ones plus 2 ones, 6 ones. Excellent. Now let's go to the tens place. Tens place, we have 6 and 3. Yes? Take 6 in the mind. Then 3 take 1, 2, 3 on your fingers. Now add 6, after 6, 7, 8, 9. 6 in the mind, 7, 8, 9. So we have here 9 in the tens place. Did you enjoy doing it? 6 plus 3 is 9. As you go along, you should be able to memorize this. What is 4 plus 2? 6. What is 6 plus 3? 9. Our answer is 9 tens, 6 1. That is your answer. You've added up 6 4 and 3 2 and you got 9 tens and 6 1. Did you enjoy it? It's beautiful, isn't it? Good. Shall we go to the next exercise? Look. Again, we have ones and tens. We have 4 tens, 3 ones, 3 tens, 4 ones. We are going to add again these two sets of numbers. Let's go to the ones. We have 3 here and we have 4 here. Okay? Now, take 3 in the mind or take 3 in one finger, 4 in the other finger. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 ones plus 4 ones make how much? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 ones plus 4 ones, you get 3 plus 4? 7. Good. 7. So we have 3 plus 4, 7 ones. Look, let's go to the tens place. We have again 3 and 4. 4 in the mind, 3 on the finger, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you have 7 tens. What is 3 plus 4? 7. What is 4 plus 3? 7. As you go along, you should be able to say immediately 3 plus 4? 7. 4 plus 3? 7. What's your answer? 7 tens, 7 ones. Excellent. Did you enjoy? Good. We are learning two-digit numbers in addition. Let's go to another exercise. Look. Let's see what is in ones place. You have 2 ones and 3 ones. And in the tens place, you have 5 ones and 1 1. Okay. Now, what is 2 plus 3? 2 ones plus 3 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 ones plus 3 ones is 5 ones. 2 ones plus 3 ones make 5 1. 2 plus 3? 5. Excellent. 2 plus 3 is 5. Next, in the tens place, we have 5 ones and then 1 1. What is 5 plus 1? 5 tens plus 1 10? 6 tens. So you have 6 here. 6 tens, 5 1. 5 plus 1? 6. 2 plus 3? 5. Excellent. Did you enjoy addition of 2-digit numbers? Adding the ones place first, then the tens? Good. Shall we take another exercise? Good. Look what we have here. Tens, ones. We have 5 tens, 4 ones, 54. 5 tens and 4 ones, 54. And in the next, to add with that, we have 3 tens, 5 ones, 35. So we are going to add 54 plus 35. In the ones place, we have 4 ones, 5 ones. Now we are going to add 4 ones plus 5 ones. Yes? Now 4 in your mind, 5 in your finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Good. 4 plus 5 is 9. What is 4 plus 5? 9. 4 ones plus 5 ones gives you 9 ones. Now let's go to the tens place. We have 5 tens and 3 tens. 5 in the mind, 3. Take it on your fingers. 5 after 5, 6, 7, 8. We get 8 tens. What did we get? 8 tens. 5 tens plus 3 tens is 8 tens. 4 ones plus 5 ones is 9 ones. Now, when we added the tens and the ones, 54 plus 35 gives you 89. Very good. Did you enjoy 2-digit addition? Good. Let's go to another sum. Look, let's see what we have here. Again, we have tens and ones. We have here 110 plus 2, 110 plus 2, 1, 12. 3 tens plus 1, 1, 31. So we are doing 2-digit division, addition. 12 plus 31. What is 12 plus 31? And that's what we are going to find out. Let's add the ones place first. In the ones place, you have 2 ones and 1 1. What is 2 plus 1? 2 ones plus 1. 2 plus 1 is? Good, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3 ones. Good. Let's go to the tens place. Again, we have here 1 10 and 3 tens. What is 3 plus 1? 3 plus 1 is? Good. 3 plus 1 is 4. Very good. 4 tens we have. So, what is 12 plus 31? 12 plus 31 is 43. 4 tens, 3 ones. 43. Did you enjoy doing the 2-digit addition? Good. Let's go on to another sum. I hope you're enjoying. Yes, keep your mind alert. Look what we have here. We have ones and tens. We have here 2 tens, 3 ones, that is 23, plus 5 tens plus 5 ones, that is 55. 2-digit addition. What is 23 plus 55? We are going to add 23 plus 55. Let's go on to the ones place. In the ones place, you have 3 ones plus 5 ones. 3 in the mind, 5 on your fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, 3 plus 5 is 8. What is 3 plus 5? 8. What is 5 plus 3? 8. Good. Are you enjoying it? Let's go to the tens place. We have 2 here, 2 tens and 5 tens. What is 2 plus 5? 2 in your mind, 5 on your fingers. 2, after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is 2 plus 5? 7. What is 5 plus 2? 7. Good. So, 23 plus 55 is 78. 7 tens, 8 ones. Did you enjoy the 2-digit addition? Good. Let's take a new sum now. Ones and tens. You have 3 tens, 4 ones, 34 plus 5 tens, 2 ones, 52. We are going to add 34 plus 52. Yes, let's take the ones place first. In the ones place we have 4 and 2. What is 4 plus 2? 4, 5, 6. 4 in the mind, 2 on your fingers, 4, 5, 6. What is 4 plus 2? 4 plus 2 is 6. What is 2 plus 4? 2 plus 4 is also 6. So we have 6, 1. Good. Now let's go on to the tens place. In the tens place you have 3 tens and 5 tens. 3 in the mind, 5 on your fingers. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 tens. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 3 is also 8. So, we have 86. 34 plus 52 gives us 86. 8, 10, 6, 1 is the answer. Yes, 2-digit addition. Are you enjoying? Can we go to another sum now? Good. Look what we have here. Ones and tens. 1 10, 1 1. 11 plus 2 tens, 2 1, 22. We are asked to add 2-digit numbers. 11 plus 22. What is your answer? First, we begin with the ones place. We have 1 1 and 2 ones. What is 1 plus 2? 1 plus 2 is 3. 1, 2, 3. 1 plus 2 is 3 or 2 plus 1 is 3. We have 3 ones in the ones place. Let's go to the tens place. 1 10 plus 2 ones. What is 1 plus 2? Again it is 3. What is 2 plus 1? It is 3. So you have 3 tens, 3 ones. Good. 11 plus 22 gives us 33. 3 tens, 3 ones, 33. Did you enjoy doing the addition of 2-digit? Yes? Good. Shall we go to another exercise and enjoy doing the addition? As you do along, you become clever. Tens and ones. Let's see what is the sum given to us. We are given 1 10, 4 ones, 14 plus 3 10, 0 1, 30. We are supposed to add 14 plus 30. What will we get? Good. Let's go to the ones place. Your ones place, you have 4 plus 0. 4 ones plus 0 ones gives us 4. 4 ones plus 0 1. 4 plus 0 is always 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 4 is 4. 4 ones. Good. Let's go to the tens place. In the tens place, we have 1 10 and 3 tens. 1 10 plus 3 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 4 tens. 1 10 plus 3 tens is 4 tens. 1 plus 3? 4. 3 plus 1? 4. 4 tens. Very good. So you have 44. Your answer is 44. 4 tens, 4 ones. That is, we added 14 plus 30. 14 plus 30 gives us 44. 4 tens, 4 1, 44. Did you enjoy the two-digit addition? Let's go on to another sum. Look what you have here. Ones, tens. You have 50. 50, 50. We are supposed to find what is 50 plus 30. 5 tens, 0 1, 3 tens, 0 1. What is 50 plus 30? We are going to find out. Let's go to the tens ones place first. First we always add the ones place. In the ones place we have 0 and 0. What is 0 plus 0 is 0. Yes, 0 plus 0 is 0. Very good. Next we go to the tens place. We have 5 tens and 3 tens. 5 plus 3. 5 in the mind, 3 on your hand, and you got 5 after 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8. Very good. So we got 8 tens. Your answer is 80. How did you get? 50 plus 30. We got the answer 80. Two-digit addition. 80 is the answer. Did you enjoy?